Hi, this video is essentially a quick tip to learn about the character formula in Excel, or just spelled out CHAR, C-H-A-R. What that lets you do is it lets you call up any symbol, number, or letter in Excel using the right associated number, actually. So for instance, the @ symbol has the number 64 associated with it. You can see here the CHAR symbol is just calling up B70, which is the number 64. If I were to stick that in here, type in CHAR 64, I will get the @ symbol. That's pretty much an academic use case. One of the more useful ways to use this formula is actually for the asterisk symbol. Asterisk has a meaning in Excel syntax in general, and it's actually useful to call it up sometimes rather than just type it out. And I can show you examples in other videos where that's the case. A lot of these codes, is worth noting, I've shaded them as orange as being pretty much not things you would use in Excel that are very helpful. Some of them could be helpful, like new lines. And then there's also the null character, which can be helpful to use as an anchor in substitute find scenarios, which I've talked about in other videos. But yeah, basically this lets you call up any symbol or number or letter. So this is a good tip to know. It's a good thing to have in your back pocket to learn more about the different formats of these kinds of codes. These are called extended ASCII code standards, and the one for Windows is called Windows 1252, and the one for Mac OS is called Mac OS Roman. So you can learn more about those at these links, which I'll provide in the description. Hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a like, and hopefully I hope you subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks so much.